Let's discuss how to set up system-wide and category markup pricing tiers in the admin of your shooting sports store. A few items to remember about system-wide and category tiers. These tiers will affect the prices of products that are currently in your store and products that have yet to be sent in the feed. There is a persist markup that is built into the system-wide and the category markup tiers. This means that if the cost of a product goes up from a distributor, the margin on your product will represent the new cost. Once you've logged into your admin, you can start setting up your markup tiers. First, we'll be going through how to set up a single tier within the system-wide tier menu. Navigate to Pricing and Promotions, and then click on System-wide Markup. Here you can set the rules on your products based on high and low cost that you as an admin can define. By setting these windows, this will automatically update the prices of your products for you. There are many configuration options for pricing tiers to define markups by percentage, flat rate, or even set a minimum profit. Within the system-wide tier screen, we will see a few areas that we can enter information on how we would like our tier to respond to the products in your feed. The first we're going to see is price low and price high. These two areas will allow you to create a window for the cost of products you would like to have your tier affect. If you would like to set the prices of all your products in your store that have a cost from 1 cent to $1,000, enter 1 cent as your price low and $1,000 as your price high. Markup percentage. This is where we can set our markup percentage for this window of products that we are creating. If we would like to have a 25% markup on all of our products for this tier, we would just need to enter 25.00. This will calculate 25% of the cost of the product and then add it to its product's price and display that product with the current price. Markup flat rate. This area allows you to put a specific dollar amount on a product instead of a percentage. If we were to have a markup flat rate of $15, our product would then have an amount added to that cost. Markup percentage and markup flat rate can both be used, or only one of them can be used. If both are used, then the markup will work from left to right, using the markup percentage first and then the markup flat rate second. Round to dollars. This area allows you to round all your products to a dollar amount that you specify. For example, if I set my round to dollar to $9, the dollar amount of my product will always round to end in $9. Round to cents. This allows us to have our products round up to a specific cent value on your products after a markup percentage, markup flat rate, and a rounded dollar have been run on a specific product. Round to cents. This allows us to have our products round up to a specific cent value on your products after a markup percentage, markup flat rate, and a rounded dollar have been run on a specific product. Once you have set up your system-wide tier to meet your specifications, just click on the Add Tier button, and this will add the tier that you've created to the list of current markup tiers. To edit a tier, you can click on the pencil icon, which will allow you to edit the tier you have selected. To save any edits to the chosen tier, click on the disk icon to save your edits. If you wish to delete a tier that you have created, just click on the trash can icon. Let's take a look at category markup tiers now. In the horizontal navigation, we'll hover over the Pricing and Promotions and then click on Category Markup. The screen we will see looks very similar to the system-wide markup tier screen, but instead of a price high and price low, we see that we can actually enter a category path. This allows us to enter a specific category path instead of a price amount for markups. Here you will enter the category name for the tier you want to create. First, we'll need to add a / into the category path field. Once you've entered this /, we will want to enter the category name for the markup we are creating. Once you've entered the category name, we will want to fill out all of the other fields for our category markup. This is similar to the system-wide tier. Once you've set up your category tier to meet your specifications, just click on the Add Tier button. This will add your tier you've created to the list of current markup tiers. If you would like to create tiers for subcategories, you can do this by adding a second / after the category name, and then entering a subcategory name after. Once you've entered the data for the other fields, you will just need to click on Add Markup to add your new markup tier for your subcategory. When creating tiers for your store, category markups will override markups that have been done in this system-wide tiers. Markups for subcategories will also override markups for both category markup tiers and system-wide markup tiers.